I think it's a tremendous time to be in healthcare. There is a convergence of capabilities that is allowing us to do things that we could have never dreamed about even a few years ago, let alone a decade ago. What we are living through right now is the digitalization of healthcare. And that is allowing us to unlock potential that we could have never done in the past.
So much of innovation in healthcare is about getting to that aha moment faster. We have patients and healthcare providers out there that are asking really important questions. The therapies, the drugs, the innovative products, they're all out there on the market and they're being used. And so we're trying to understand, are they safe? Are they effective? And we need those answers now because the patients have these questions now. The thing that excites me the most about working at IQVIA right now is the connection between the science, the tech, and the healthcare expertise that we're all sitting together at one table. So when we're trying to solve problems and we're driving toward innovation, we have all of those brains in the same place, working together and connecting to come up with a solution.
I am so excited to work at IQVIA because I really do believe that we are leading the industry. We believe that we can help make the world a healthier place, and I believe that we are doing that. I think that never once have I been told by anyone that this is the way we've always done it. The key is thinking outside of the box and challenging ourselves to forever do better. Now, we are getting to the stage, we have so much data that we don't need placebos anymore. We can actually use the data that we've got and model out what would have happened with the placebo so that everyone is actually receiving active treatment. And that, to me, that is very exciting.
We were able to run a clinical trial virtually in record time, at record scale, and in a much more patient-centric fashion. We ran a clinical trial involving about 80 to 90,000 human beings around the world in about 3 months without any of them ever leaving their homes.
Our clients are looking for evidence and insights so that they can drive innovation. And whether that is deploying electronic clinical outcome assessments or using machine learning to understand how to repurpose a drug, IQVIA has specialty in technology and science that can really help our clients drive innovation.
Our deep learning algorithm was able to identify the patients with a rare disease 3 times more than the traditional methods. This is exciting, and we have this kind of examples in many areas. We can also help to identify patient populations who are not responding to the treatment that currently have or not adhesive to the treatments that they are prescribed. We can identify those populations so that the caregivers, providers, manufacturers can proactively work with these patients to improve their patient outcome.
Every day we think about the fact that we are impacting patients' lives. That patient could be your mum or dad, it could be your child. And so everything we need to do when running a trial has to be about how do we make the world a healthier and safer place. And that really drives my team.
I have been with IQVIA for over 25 years. I have seen a lot of the amazing things that we have developed over time. But now it is the most exciting time. We have the capability to connect all the different assets all over the healthcare continuum to make connected intelligence, to help our clients to make the right business decisions, to bring the treatment to the right patients at the right time. And we can do this with scale.
We will move from a world where everyone received the same treatment or the same therapy around the world for the same condition, to a world of personalized medicine, where there is precision down to the actual individual receives the right treatment and the right therapy for who they are as a human being.